Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zinabukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje. Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi unikezwe izinsuku ezisikhombisa ukuba phendule ohlulilwe ikhalo zenhlangano iMarch and March nebinikele emgoqweni yaseGoli ikhala ngokugcwala kwabantu bokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Parliament, do you have anything to say? Any last words, Parliament? Mr. Mugabe, do you have anything to say?
Indodana kalowo owabe ngumengameli waseZimbabwe uBellarmine Mugabe uselflathelela kuleli ngemva kokuthi ehlawuliswe inkulungwane ezingamakhulu ayisithupha zamarandi okuhlanganisa nokudingiswa kuleli.
The strategic direction is firmly anchored in strengthening crime intelligence, stabilizing leadership, enhancing visible policing.
Obambe njengomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant General Puleng Dempane utshele ikomiti laseParliament elibhekela amaphoyisa ukuthi unohlu lwamasu ahlose ngawo ukuvuselela umbutho wamaphoyisa. Ngikubingelele umbukeli ngwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali hlabanga nelimhlophe qwa. Uza kwethu ositolikela ngolwimi lwempawu uSinovuyo Fihlani ake sibheke ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi namhlanje kusihlwa. Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi unikezwe izinsuku ezisikhombisa ukuba phendule ohlunilwe ikhalo zenhlangano iMarch and March nebinikele emgoqweni yaseGoli ikhala ngokugcwala kwabantu bokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Ngemuva kokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo ezindlini zombuso izolo, amalungu enhlangano yomphakathi March and March kanye nezinye izinhlangano zomphakathi anikele emgwaqeni enkabeni yedolobha iGoli eGxoba ehambisa uhlu lwezikhalo esishayamthetho sesifundazwe eGauteng. Ababhekishi bakhala ngokwanda kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Ngo-1994 sasiyitshela ukuthi sekumnandi eSouth Africa. Sajabula sathi sesikhululekile. Abelungu abasasiphethe. Abelungu abasas-oppress. Kodwa namhlanje so-oppresswa yibona abantu bakithi.
Peacefully we are here, and if you wanted to do any criminality, it should have happened long time ago. But as leaders, we have made sure that peace is important because our voice can be heard through peace, but through violence there's no sense that can be made.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe unikezwe izinsuku eziyisikhombisa ukuphendula uhlu lwezikhalo, kanti kusenjalo nohulumeni kazwelonke usephendulile ngalolu daba.
Ngitholi memorandum yenu sibonga kakhulu, and thanks for everything, and thanks coming to our offices. Siyabonga.
Government is strengthening measures to address illegal immigration, including tightening border controls to combat unlawful entry, illicit trade, and the fraudulent activities that undermine revenue collection and the rule of law.
Ubaloyi uqhubeke wathi sebeyingxenye yesigidi abantu asebebuyisela emazweni abo selokhu kwasungulwa uphiko olubhekele imingcele iBMA.
Amalungu omphakathi aqhamuka eSivista eSt Francis Bay Eastern Cape anqume ukumasha akhala ngabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho nabasolwa ngokuyithathela indawo. Izakhamuzi zithi abokufika bazakhele emjondolo ngokungemthetho kanti kusola ukuthi abanye bayayiqashisa.
Ababahlali bafuna ukuba amapolisa akhawuleze angenelele kumba wabemi bangaphandle abangenazimpepha. Abahlali bakwathyola ukuba ababemi bangaphandle bahlawulwa imivuzo ephansi, nto leyo ibangela ukuba abaqeshi bakhethe bona. Bakwakhalaza nangeziseko ezingundoqo ezishokoxekileyo ngenxa yoninzi lwabemi bangaphandle.
Bunobona apha ekuhlaleni khona isitopo esimakuzo ugcwelise aba bantu bangaphandle, abantu bakuthi bahleli bakhangela ijob and lingomnye wabo, so ingichaphazela kakhulu sisi and indixhela umphefumlo.
most yabantwana bethu from 11 years unyuka batye drugs, and mind you iSivista is very little.
Abahlali bale ndawo banikezele ngoxwebhu lwezikhalazo kwisikhululo samapolisa.
Zingapha kwamandla ngoku. Zigcwele kakhulu, zigcwalisa indawo zokuhlala, zigcwalisa imisebenzi.
Umasipala waseGuga uthi uthethathethana nesebe lemicimbi yekhaya ukujongana nalomba.
As municipality, we have engaged with the Office of the Minister of Home Affairs. We've offered support in addressing these concerns, including initiatives aimed at verifying documentation of foreign nationals.
Amapolisa athi aqalise iphulo i-Operation Identity neliza kujongana nabemi bangaphandle abangenazimpepha. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, ndingunandi Phaplatyi eSt Francis Bay.
Indodana kalowo owabe engumengameli waseZimbabwe uBellarmine Mugabe useliflathele elakuleli ngemva kokuthi ehlawuliswe izinkulungwane ezingama-600 zamarandi okuhlanganisa nokudingiswa kuleli. Abesolwa naye uTobias Matonze ugixabezwe ngeminyaka emithathu ebhadlejele.
Imantshi yangamelele licala ehlawulise uMugabe ngezinkulungwane ezingama-600 amarandi ecaleni lokukhomba ngesibhamu nelokuba kuleli ngokungemthetho. Phezu kwalokho uMugabe uyalelwe ukuba akhokhele izindleko zohambo oluphindela eZimbabwe.
Number one, as far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment.
Isandla sithe ukuqina kuMatononze unikwe isigwebo seminyaka emithathu ebhadle ejele. Yena ke wavuma icala lokuzama ukubulala, ukuthulala nezinhlamvu ngaphandle kwemvume, ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho nokuba kuleli ngokungemthetho.
Count 2, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 3, you are sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. Count 4, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. The court orders that all the sentences be served concurrently.
Imantshi ithi lesi kuzoba isifundo esinzima kubona bobabili abamangalelwa, yancoma nesenzo esikhombise ubuntu ngemuva kokunxephezelwa kwesisulu.
I do not know whether the second accused took the rep for you. And I can only act on what is before me.
Bellarmine, do you have anything to say? Any last words, Bellarmine?
Ngemumva kokukhokha inhlawulo uMugabe ubesenikele esikhumulweni sezindiza iOR Tambo ukuze athathe uhambo olubhekela kubo eZimbabwe. Ummeli wakhe uzichithile izinsolo zokuthi uMatononze ube umhlatshelo ovume ukuthwala amacala endodana kaMugabe.
It cannot be said that anyone has taken the fall for anyone. I think both accused, when they pleaded guilty, did so knowing what the charges against them were, and of course pleaded accordingly.
Obambe njengomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant General Puleng Dimpane utshela ikomiti lasePhalamende elibhekela umnyango wamaphoyisa ngohlelo lwamaphuzu kanye namasu okuvuselela kabusha umbutho wamaphoyisa.
Umbutho wamaphoyisa ubhekene nenkulu ingcindezi kamumva njengenxa yokuvela obala kwezinsolo ezishaqisayo eziphathelene nenkohlakalo edlalubi egubuzele lo mbutho. uDimpane uthi imali engamabhiliyoni ayi-127 amarandi yabela umbutho wamaphoyisa izosetshenziselwa ukuhlinzeka ngezidingo zezakhamuzi.
Chair, this strategic direction is firmly anchored in strengthening crime intelligence, stabilizing leadership, enhancing visible policing, and intensifying our response to organized as well as violent crimes. We are also equally focused on rebuilding our internal systems, particularly the areas of supply chain.
Phakathi kokunye lo mbutho wamaphoyisa owethembise ngokuthi uzokulandelela ngokukhulu ukusheshsha izincomo ezizophuma nekhomishana kaMadlanga nalokho kuzotholwa yikomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende.
Emanating from these reports, there will invariably be the need for action to be taken against SAPS members.
Udaba lokujutshwa kwamasosha ezindaweni ezifana neCape Flats ngokunye obekusezithebeni zomhlangano.
One murder is one too many, but if you look at the numbers same time this period and compared to now, there are stations that are fluctuating where you will see a decline.
Amalungu ekomiti ezwakalise nokuthi sisakhathaza kakhulu isimo sokusilela imumva kwamacala lawo asuke esalinde imphumela efana neyolibofuzo nokuxilengwa kwezikhali ezisuke zenze amacala.
Umfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi iCOSATU ukwemukela ukwengezwa kwenye inyanga yokwehliswa kwesikhashana kwentela yopetrol. Lokhu njengoba ilungiselela ukubungaza usuku lwezisebenzi enkundleni iOld Peter Mokaba iPulukwane eLimpopo ngoLwesihlanu.
Njengoba iCOSATU kanye nezinye izinyunyana zezisebenzi zivivela umbuthano wosuku lwezisebenzi ozosingathwa ngoLwesihlanu, le nyunyana ikushayele ihlombe ukwehliswa kwentela ekhokhwa uma kuthengwa upetrol ngamarandi amathathu. Yize kunjalo, kepha izwakalise ukukhathazeka ngentengo yoparafini emba eqolo.
As much as we welcome that, we say that we are a bit concerned that there's nothing for paraffin users. We are hopeful that government will also have a look into it, because when you speak about paraffin users, you are talking about the most vulnerable in our country. We have no access to electricity and who are relying on paraffin to be able to cook.
Ugcizelele ubumbano ngelithi umbuthano wangoLwesihlanu akuwona owezombusazwe.
Day of Workers. It is not a conference of the ANC nor a conference of the SACP. The message that we have sent to ourselves as COSATU, but also to our alliance partners, is that these May Day rallies must be a point of convergence, point of unity.
Umbungazo omkhulukazi wosuku lwezisebenzi uzobanjwa enkundleni Old Peter Mokaba ePulukwane.
Mbukelisi sasiqu eyitolo siyabuya ke nezinye indaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu ungayindawo. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihla ku SABC1. Asikhumbuze ke mbukeli kulezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba, na kanjani ke uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Undunankulu wase-Eastern Cape Oscar Mabuyane usaqinisekise abashayeli abathutha izingane zesikole Eastern Cape ukuthi umnyango wezemali uzoyilungisa imiholo yabo ngemva komhlazi 7 kuNhlaba njengoba kuguqulwe uhlelo lwawo lwasebhange. Labashayeli bebebamba imash ukuhambisa uhlu lwezikhalo kulamahhovisi.
Baqonde ngqo kwi-ofisi yenkulu baphathiswa ababaqhubi ngelithi isebe lezothutho liyoyisakala ukuhambisa le nkqubo. Ababaqhubi bathutha abafundi abangaphezulu kwekhulu lamawaka. Logama isebe linengxowa yokuthuthwa kwabafundi abangama-80,000. Bathi bafuna ingxowa-mali yale nkqubo yonyuswe.
We demand that the Department of Transport immediately, bullet number 1, settle all outstanding payments for services rendered without further delay.
Inkulu baphathiswa yephondo ikuvumile ukoyisakala kwesebe lezothutho ukuqhuba le nkqubo, kodwa uthi imali ye-overdraft ibekiwe ecaleni ze kuhlawulwe abaqhubi abathutha abafundi.
Amveni kobutreasury wababonelela nge-overdraft facility uba mabakwazi ubhatala, kwaqhubeka ke nobhatalo. Yiyo le nto ngosityala inyanga ezintathu kuba imali iye yaphela ezinyanga ezintathu abantu abakwazi ubhatala. Ngoku kwenziwa indlela yobhatalo.
Ukhabe nezityholo zokuba ibhanki yesebe lezothutho ivaliwe ngelithi ukuvalwa kwayo kuyinxalenye yenkqubo yesebe lezezimali yethutyana. Abathuthi babafundi kulindeleke ukuba basebenze ngomso. Ndingusidima Mfeku wendaba ze-SABC disebhisho.
Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uPhemi Majodina ehambisana nemeya yedolobha iGoli uDada Morero bethule ngokusemthethweni isiphehli samanzi eBrixton eGoli nesesithathe cishe iminyaka emithathu sakhiwa. Lesi siphehli ke kulindeleke ukuthi sixazulule inkinga yamanzi ahleze ihamba eBrixton naseyindaweni ezingomakhelwane. Intatheli ke SABC uNokulunga Sibisi usihlanganisele lo mbiko.
Izakhamuzi zalapha zithi kuyathokozisa ukubona lesiphehli samanzi sesiphothuliwe ngemuva kweminyaka emithathu sakhiwa. Ziphinde zathi zinethemba lokuthi ngeke isaba khona inkinga yamanzi.
We are happy we saw that reservoir has been opened today. We are happy because we've been struggling carrying buckets going up and down, asking neighbors for water, those who have boreholes and stuff. So
Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uthi banezivumelwane esihle nenkampani ephakela ngamanzi iRand Water nakanethemba ukuthi bazosebenzisana kahle nayo ukuya phambili.
I've just spoken to my Rand Water as an entity, and the Rand Water
commitment is to say we are going to supply that reservoir Brixton with the supply that we've agreed upon. We're not going to falter, and that's a positive contribution that the water entity is going to make.
Imeya yedolobha iGoli uTata Morero uthi kuyathokozisa ukwethula ngokusemthethweni lesiphehli samanzi kuzakhamuzi zalapha.
Proud as Joburg and the city to hand over this important reservoir. This reservoir and tower projects include 26 megaliter of ground reservoir and a 2 megaliter in the tower and a 200 liters per second pump station. And I think we had an opportunity to also see the pump station.
Indabeni ze-SABC nginguNokulunga Sibisi.
Inkantolo yemantshi yakuGompo eEastern Cape imnqabele ibail uthishanhloko nongumfundisi uGeorge Blakis. uBlakis ubhekene necala lokubulala, elokuhlela ukubulala kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho mayelana nokubulawa ngesihluku kukaZovuyo Mbana obeneminyaka engama-33 ubudala. Isidumbu sakhe esatholakala sishisiwe.
Isigqibo senkundla samkelwe ngezandla ezishushu loluntu obelisoloko lilandela elityala. Babeme ngelithi kungadala isankxwe okukhululwa kwakhe lo kaGeorge Blakis. Xeshikweni ewisa isigwebo umantyi uLuthando Scritch uthe akukho semdleni wobulungisa ukuba akhululwe ngenxa yobuzaza letyala ajongene nalo.
I am therefore not satisfied that the applicant has discharged the onus of showing on the balance of probabilities that exceptional circumstances exist which, in the interest of justice, permits his release on bail. Bail is therefore accordingly refused.
Ukanti usapho lwexhoba lithi lixolile sesisigqibo.
Thina sonwabile siyavuya into phofu besicinga besinqwenela all along. Besicela lonto leyo kuba ngaske into zihambe ngolhlobo zihambe ngalo. We're quite happy.
Kusenjalo amajantliziyo nachasane nokuphathwa gadalala kwamanina athi esisigqibo senkundla sizisa ubulungisa kumaxhoba.
We are extremely pleased by what we've heard today, and I must say that it really gives victims out there and families who have been affected by gender-based violence that type of satisfaction that GBV has not just been classified as a national disaster. We see the judiciary now starting to take these cases seriously.
Amagqwetha omtyholwa aceba ukufaka isibheno ngakwesi sigqibo senkundla. Abongile Yangisi kwiindaba ze-SABC kwisixeko sakuGompo.
Mbukele saye itolo kodwa kuma ngabe sibuya sobe sesikuphatheleke umhlahle wesimo sezulu noThini Ntshiza.
Ngibingelele babukele emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele ngesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlo ake sibheke isimelo qophela nje mbukeli akhona ke nje amathuba emvula athamba aqinise nje khona ke esifundazweni eFree State ngasho nje ukuthi liyana ke nje izulu kakhulukazi khona ke nje eMahikeng kuye njalo nje ePinkton ngasho nje ukuthi limbuze ngamafu ke nje izulu khona ke eMthatha kepha ke nje liphenyile izulu kakhulukazi ePremabek sekhona ke nje eKapa Lodumo kanti nje thanda ukuthi libuze ngamafu ke izulu khona ke nje uLikamthaniya kanti ke kusasa ngasho nje ukuthi liyana ke nje izulu khona ke nje esifundazweni eFree State kuye njalo nje ePinkton nakhona ke nje eMahikeng kanti ke sambuze ngamafu ke nje izulu khona ke nje laphana kweLikamthaniya kanti ke sixwayiso sethu ke sakusihle siphuma laphana kwaSouth African Weather Service mikanje soqaphela lo moya kungadala lona kuba ulwandle lokuphe amakakasi khona ke nje eThekwini kuye njalo nje eRichards Bay sakhona ke nalesa sixwayiso sokuduma okunobungozi khona ke nje esifundazweni eFree State kuye njalo nje eMahikeng nakhona ke nje ePinkton kanti ke nakusasa kusexwayiso nje esifanayo sokuduma okunobungozi khona ke nje eBloemfontein kuye njalo nje eMahikeng nakhona ke nje ePinkton kanti ke nje nolwandle lusakhupha amakakasi khona ke nje eRichards Bay kanti ke amazinga okushisa aphansi usihlwa nakusasa masibheke nje khona ke eGoli Soweto kaNdonga zaduma ngasho nje siliyabanda ngo18 kuye njalo nje ku8 kanti ke Pretoria singawulindela nje u21 kuye njalo nje ku8 kanti masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo amazinga okushisa amika nje liyabanda eGiyani ngo19 kanti ke ebusuku limi nje ku16 masibheke nje khona ke eTzanini limi nje ku19 kanti ke ebusuku limi nje ku15 kanti ke nje masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga amazinga okushisa amika nje ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile eMbombela kusasa ngo23 kanti masibheke nje eMelo singawulindela nje ku20 kanti-ke masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi ngasho nje ukuthi lifudumele ngo-24 kanti-ke ePortshepstone lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke nje ngo-21 kanti-ke uLundi liyashisa nje ngawo nje u-25 masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa ami kanje eMthatha ngasho nje sipholile ngo-20 phole njalo nakhona-ke eGqeberha singawulindela nje u-20 masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni Western Cape amazinga okushisa ami kanje eKapa ngasho nje ukuthi lifudumele ngawo nje u-20 kanti-ke nje masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni eNorthwest amazinga okushisa ami kanje ngasho nje silabanda eKimberley ngawo nje u-14 bande njalo nakhona-ke Upington singawulindela nje u-16 kanti masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni eFree State amazinga okushisa ami kanje liyabanda eBethlehem kuye njalo nje eVelkom singawulindela u-18 kanti-ke nje masibheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni eNorthwest amazinga okushisa ami kanje ngasho nje silipholile eRustenburg phole njalo-ke nakhona-ke eMahike ngawo nje u-21 ngisibeka lapho-ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina-ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha-ke bese kuphathele zona namuhla ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.